In this video guide, we are gonna explore RIKCAD, which is a software used for landscape and garden design. So it can be used for CAD and BIM, and it actually creates 2D and 3D objects. So as you can see here, this is only one design solution product for those who are interested in exterior design and like adding also some vegetation and landscape components. And you can create floor plan, elevation plan, and 3D all at once. So this is what can be done in BIM software, for example, like Archicad or Revit. And so it basically will allow you to design models like walls, slabs, roads, rocks, plants, and so on. It has some library content, so you can get a lot of models of realistic models of 3D plants and other 3D blocks, and also a lot of materials that you can use. And of course, this will help you to create more realistic and appealing visualization of architecture and interior or exterior design. And you will have a lot of details, and you can see here many pictures of examples. And this is a Japanese company that produces this software. It's called RIK. So we can check other information on Google. It's a Japanese company developing landscape design called RIK. And this is not only a software, a standalone software, but it's also an add-on for Archicad. So you have the complete version, the all-in-one version, and you have also the RIK Landscape Package for Archicad. So you can use it in combination for Archicad. And also you can export for Twinmotion, which is another tool that you can find also. You will find some guides also in our YouTube channel. Just look for here RIKCAD if you are interested in RIKCAD, or also Archicad and Twinmotion as well. So we are producing a lot of videos about this really interesting software. So here you can write Twinmotion or anything that you want, and you can look for it in our YouTube channel. Okay, now let's get back here. This is the Google result, and this is where we can go to the international version. If we want to find the landscape, you can type Unimat or RIKCAD landscape add-on. So if you look for this, you can find there you go. So the second result here is the package for Archicad. The first result is the only one software. So you can choose which one do you want. Of course, if you want to use the add-on for Archicad, before you have to download and install Archicad as well, and you will need version 24. So you have to download and install version 24. But everything is explained in the RIKCAD website. So this is the application, the only one application. So we covered that, and also we cover Archicad in other video guides, so I will not get onto that right now. Let's go to the RIKCAD Landscape Package for Archicad. So again, you click here in the results here, and you can access this page. There you go. And also you can find other videos showing you Twinmotion, direct link to Archicad, and other information. If you look around, they also have a Facebook social page. Okay, so let's get here. So what does it mean to download and install this landscape package for Archicad? So to use in a BIM environment. So you will get a lot of props, a lot of components that you can use. So you can use this to insert components and elements which will create a more realistic effect, more realistic renderings, more realistic perspective with a lot of nature, and that probably usually is missing into architecture, but it's really important. And Japanese culture, it's really interested into gardens and vegetation. So, but it's also useful for our architecture as well, and also landscape design and garden design. Okay, so you can see here you can place roads, blocks, fences, plantings, a lot of stuff here. You will have 2D and 3D representations, and you will improve the quality of your drawings, your technical 2D drawings, as well as your 3D visualization. And you have some examples here again in the combination with the Archicad, BIM, and or BIM, you want to call it. And now you can see here there are different types of components that you can use. So you can use a lot of landscape design plants and trees and textures and materials. And you have some examples here. For example, you have this road creator, edge creator, 3D tree, fence arrangement, rock wall creators, land tool, land formation, green wall arrangement, shrubbery creator. You have really a lot of tools here. And you also have this kind of an introductory video where it will show you how you can place stuff from this plugin into Archicad. So how you can design, for example, real quick this wall, and it's pretty simple to design something with this tool and to create many different types of stuff. In this case, it's creating a pavement, a stone pavement, real quick. It's really amazing. It's really a cool application, a cool add-in, a cool plugin. And one thing you have to know is that there are two versions. You have an Artscape version with all these elements that you can insert, which are mostly like art surfaces like roads and lands and rocks. And also you have the Softscape version where you can add soft things like shrubbery, or we said plants and trees and vegetation. Okay, so it's important to understand that you need Windows for this and Archicad version 24. Otherwise, it won't be compatible, and so it will not work with other operative systems. And there you go. You can download it in the trial version here. So you can click in this button here, and you will access this module that you have to fill out. You have to fill out this form. You can insert the details and especially your email, so that they will send you all you need in the email. Also your temporary license, your trial license, and everything you need. You will see it in your email. Let me show you how the email will look, just to show you what you will get after you will fill out this module. There you go. So this is an email from RIKCAD, and it's telling me that this is the trial version and that I can click here for the Artscape edition, and here for the Softscape edition I can download both, or maybe one of the two, depends on my needs. And also I have a serial in this PDF here, so I can click here to open up and get my license. So you will get this email by filling out this form, especially email and email verification, and click here. This is a little bit difficult to read because it's in Japanese, but you will find the translation down here at the bottom. So once you finish this, you will click here, and then it will ask you again a confirmation. Just follow the instruction in English down at the bottom here. And I guess English is the only language right now, apart from Japanese. So you have it in Japanese and English. So once you have finished downloading, you will find these files inside your download folder, Softscape trial, Archicad trial, and of course you have to install also Archicad. So yeah, I have downloaded also Archicad to try this landscape package, and probably in the future I also really would like to try the standalone or the only one RIKCAD application, and I hope that in the future they will also make like other languages, and also if a Revit plugin also would be really nice. But in the moment we have these to use for Archicad, and you can check here the version to buy. So if you want to buy the version, you can see here you have this collection, landscape collection. Well, this is the price for the collection. Hardscape, Softscape. This is for 1 year. And this is it for this video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and you are welcome to leave comments and questions, suggestions, whatever you want in our community. And so again, thanks, and see you in the next video.